Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into the tutorial on how to use Airtable for fitness class scheduling, your full 2025 guide. First things first, you need to create a new base in Airtable. Click the plus sign in the left sidebar and choose Start from Scratch. This is essential because a base is the starting point for organizing all your data. Next, name your base Fitness Class Schedule and start setting up your tables. Create one for classes, another for instructors, and a third for enrollments. The reason we do this is to keep all relevant information neatly categorized. Now that we've set up our tables, it's time to populate them with data. For the classes table, input columns for class name, class time, and class type. For instructors, include instructor name and contact info. For enrollments, detail student name, class enrolled, and payment status. This helps us because it gives us a clear and organized view of all necessary information. Next up, take advantage of Airtable's linking feature. In your enrollments table, link the class enrolled and student name fields to their respective tables. This is crucial as it connects related information across different tables, ensuring you don't lose track of any details. Let me explain why this matters. By linking these fields, you can easily track which students are enrolled in which classes and ensure that every class is managed effectively. Finally, use the calendar view to visualize your class schedule. Click on the calendar icon on the top right to switch views. The benefit here is that you can see your whole fitness class schedule at a glance, making it easier to manage and adjust as needed. And there you have it. You now know how to use Airtable to schedule your fitness classes effectively. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.